how to sign in to your QuickBooks account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your QuickBooks account. First thing, head over to any of your browser and simply search in for QuickBooks, and once you're inside this page, simply click on this first link, which is the official website for the QuickBooks.com. and once you're inside here, simply wait for some time for it to load. And as you can see, there is a sign in option. Simply hover over it, and once you hover over it, you'll be seeing tons of list. So simply select the QuickBooks Online option over here, and once you're on this screen, you have to click on this create an account option over here, since we are creating account from scratch. So you'll be heading over to this page where you'll have to choose or include all of your plans. So once you're inside here, simply click on this global site option, just like this, and it will redirect you to this page where you simply have to select any of your plan, or you can also choose your free trial option over here. And once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where you can fill up your email, first name, last name, and your password, as well as your phone number. So once you do that, if you'd like to receive your marketing emails, you can simply check or uncheck as you wish, and simply click on one more step over here. And once you do that, you have to wait for some time for it to process your credentials. And once you are on this screen, simply click on get started from over here, and once you click on your business name, simply click on next and fill up these questions just like this, and simply click on next from over here, and simply click on this and enter the number of employees that your company have. So you can choose any of the options over here, and you can do this step by step. So it's all about which step you want to do it first. So simply you can also skip that option from over here, and simply click on next from over here and skip it for now, and simply select the things you want to do with your QuickBooks account, and simply select done on next, and wait for some time again, and just click on let's go option over here. And just like that, you will have your QuickBooks account created successfully. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.